Alright guys, in this video we're going to go over how to select the best view for your multi-view drawings. Okay, so I'm going to go to New Walton File. Okay, I'm going to fill this out correctly as always. I'm the master of all classes. This is IED, and we're doing our puzzle cube. In fact, I'm going to call this in 4.2 puzzle cube. Okay, so once we get that set up, the drawing will open up, and now we've got our drawing. Okay, so now I want to place a view. All right, so we go back to, again, just to show that, we go to our base. Then I'm going to select Iron Man. He is probably the most difficult one to figure out what the best orientation would be. So I'm going to open it. I'm just going to place what Inventor suggests for me first. And it's basically whatever front view is when I created it as a part. Okay? So if I do that, I see I've got a hidden line here. Okay? And I may not always be able to eliminate hidden lines, but I'm going to go in and I'm going to see if I can. So I'm going to delete this view and this one. Okay, and I'm going to go back to my base view. All right, it's going to make me reselect Iron Man. And then from there, I'm going to actually click this little cube here. And what it does is it lets me select what my front view is. So if this is the suggested one, I turn it to the top. I see that there are no hidden lines. I turn it to the right. That's where I see my hidden line would be, right across there. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my home view, and I'm going to see if I can find a different one. Now, I liked in my front view that it suggested for me I didn't have any hidden lines, so that's a good place to start. But I'm going to try rotating it. So if I rotate it to the left and I check the top this time, I've got a hidden line. All right? So in order to check, I know that that one's not right, so I'm going to go back to this view. Okay? Then if I check again, I can turn it to the right this time. All right? Now if I check the top view, no hidden lines. So I'm going to go back to my front view. Now I want to check the right view to see if there are any hidden lines. Now, there would be, and if I want to zoom in and rotate, I can show, there would be a hidden line for where there's this empty space back here, but it's actually overwritten by this front edge right here for the hidden line. So I like that one, so I'm going to select it as my custom view. Then I go ahead and throw it in there. Inventor does the rest. Hit create. Oh, that was indeed the wrong one. Okay, so Inventor's found my mistake for me. I noticed that there are two hidden lines right there. Okay, so I can go back again. This is a tedious process sometimes. Okay, so I'm going to do my base view again. Select Iron Man again. Go to my custom view. Okay, now that was from this one. So I'm going to twist it around and see. My top view. Okay, so this one should work. All right, there's my front view. Click him down there, there, and there. Hit create. Now I can see there are no hidden lines and I can begin dimensioning. Okay, that's it.